fend for yourself.
Amy, it's science. It's all science.
It is. You know what?
She's done with it.
We need a little lighthearted news here to digest what I'm about ready to serve up. Because we've been talking this morning about the potential for a blizzard. And anytime you say that, people, geez, a blizzard. But what really defines a blizzard is 35-mile-an-hour winds consistently, and also snow falling or blowing snow, and those conditions going for at least 3 hours. And right now, there's a very high probability that that would happen during this nor'easter. And so blizzard does seem like it will come out during this storm as it develops. Feels like 12 degrees outside, plenty cold, that's for sure, but not quite as sharp as it's been the last couple of mornings. So we do have some single-digit readings to the north, but it's feeling like the upper teens where the winds have really settled down at the Jersey Shore. Iceland feels like 16 right now. Look at the numbers on the thermometer, because this is what's going to tell us a little bit about the snow, and how cold it is sort of determines what kind of snow stacks up, because we take the liquid that we get out of a storm, and then we take the temperature, and that's how we can get the snow to water ratio. So, you know, the water turns into the flakes, and so how that stacks up has a lot to do with the temperatures. Right now, there's a winter storm warning for all the areas in pink, and how those temperatures are determined is the track of the storm, or where it moves. And right now, it looks pretty likely that we could see up to 10 inches of snow in the boroughs. Some of the computer models have gone a little higher this morning. And this is the this is a map that we've generated from all the computer models. So this is kind of a consensus, and based on experience and the science that's out there, these are the numbers we're going with this morning. But difference between 6 inches and 12 inches of snow in the city, it's a big deal either way. So 6 inches is difficult to deal with. A foot of snow is difficult to deal with. So we need to prepare for this either way around it. Wind gusts during the day tomorrow, 40 to 50 miles an hour, especially at the coastline. So we could have some real problems with that. And then what we're going to watch for here is this long duration to deliver the snow in pieces, and maybe that helps with the mobility and the cleanup. Large storm, you can see the cold side of it moving into Washington, D.C. We'll continue to see that push in our direction. Late tonight, looks like after about 6 or 7, the snow begins. This is 11 o'clock on the Futurecast. Plenty cold for snow to stick. Look at that. Temperatures are in the low to mid-20s, and we don't get warm overnight. That freezing line stays well to the south. That means that the track is still allowing for the cold air to stay overhead. By Monday afternoon, we may see some of that warmer air as the storm takes a new position, work its way in, and that could create some mixing, limit snow totals in some areas. But here's how interesting it is. As we look at these computer models, 8 o'clock tomorrow night, we get up 6 inches, and then there could be another few inches on top of that. So if this comes in pieces, then it's easier to clean up. And while this looks like a lot of snow, it doesn't come stacked up neatly tomorrow morning. Instead, it's going to come in doses all the way through Tuesday morning. So freezing temperatures to end the weekend, and then our numbers do actually get better as we go into the AccuWeather 7-day forecast. We get more mild, a little more moderate, 38 by Thursday, and we'll be in the low to mid-40s by Friday and Saturday of next week. So AccuWeather alert for all day on Monday. Back to you guys.
Oh, man.
Actually, we're going to go to break. We're going to break. We'll be right back.